Yeah, what's going on, guys? Today we're gonna talk about NQ, right? Today price action was a little bit tricky, which is a hard resistance we put it on. So as stated before, I'm gonna start off the daily time frame where I usually trade my trade, where I usually take my trade. Keep in mind, this is a paper trading account, so all this trade was me sharing an example to one of my students yesterday. So what I'm gonna do is mark out the previous day low, right? I mark out the previous day low, and every day when I come to the chart, I want to mark out the previous day high and the previous day low. Once I mark out the previous day high and the previous day low, right, which is the last candle of this one, each candle is a daily time frame. So this is the right now the candle we're gonna be analyzing. So I'm gonna drop down to the 4 hour. When I come to the 4 hour, what I notice is that coming through the day, we still have like a clean. It looked like price took out this clean head right here, right? Which I'm just gonna keep the line to a minimum. So I'm gonna delete the previous day's high, right, and the previous day low. I'm gonna leave the previous day low, right? Since I already have another line here, which is the relative equals high. So I'm gonna change this to white. Actually, I want to change this color to white. And we're gonna see after just is a relative equal high based on the candle formation. And I'm gonna down to the 1 hour. Nothing else still on the 1 hour, just the relative equal high. And I'm gonna go to the 30 minutes. Okay, what caught my high right now is the fair value gap on the 30 minutes right here. Okay, we took the highs of the candle right here. This is 27 20,000 77.25, and the height of this candle 20,000. So we missed this by a few points, right? So just keep in mind. So this is another high also noted on your chart. And when you come to the 15-minute chart, you see that fair value gap right here again, right? We just want on the 30 minutes, another fair value gap here on the 15. We missed it. This might be something to keep in mind for next week. For next week, right? You might want to keep that in mind for next week. These two highs right here. So just for the sake of new people, I'm gonna note this again. Fair value gap, fair value gap, sell side, right? And we come down to the 15 minutes. So we have this right here, and this is after this is doing 8:30, and we come down to now 9:30, 10 o'clock. When I was in on the chart, right? 9 o'clock, 10. I noticed bullish fair value gap here. So I'm gonna change the color to green, which represent the bullish fair value gap. My initial thought was, okay, the way market moves up, we already swept this equal lows, equal highs right here, right? And keep in mind, we have the new day opening gap right here. The new day opening gap is here, right? On the new day opening gap, what did market do, right? Market comes down. I'm going to jump to the 5 minute now. And from this relative equal lows, look, you didn't look from right here to right here, right? This is our relative equal low. And the low, the previous day low, which is right here, this candle here, is also still right there. But in this case, market already took out the new opening gap. We have the 15-minute fair value gap here, which was expecting price to react to go up, right? But due to the fact that price already came up here to the new day opening gap, I wasn't interested on this 15-minute fair value gap. I want price to come down to take the previous day low, right? The previous day low. And once price took the previous day low, what I did was I jumped on the 1 minute. So keep in mind this was the 15-minute fair value gap that we had before. So once the price reached that, I was able to jump on the 1 minute. I didn't see any clean entry on the 1 minute. What I did again was jump on the five. And after jumping on the 5 minutes, I was able to get in. I wait for this the first candle close. to close, and I jumped in on this candle. Literally, I didn't have no drawdown at all. There was little to no drawdown on this trade, so I was able to capture getting on this candle and putting my stop right here on this low of this candle, which is about $157. I'm sorry, which is about 157 ticks and 39 point. And I was able to get out at the high of that candle right here, which is about 263, right? I was able to get out at that, which was 1 to 1. And right after I get out, the market just reverses, dump back down low. So go on. This is my trade for today. And keep in mind, all these lows, when you're trading, you have to keep in mind they're the important level. For example, we will trade a counter trend. This strategy is possible to trade counter trend, is possible to trade on continuation. So I just got it right there on the 5 minute bullish fair value gap, and I took my bite. I don't want the all move. I'm not expecting price to deliver all the way up here again, right? Some people will expect the price to come back to right here. Like, these are reasonable levels to mark, and also like some people will expect the price to come here. But for me, I'm only looking for 1 to 1, a little bit more if the market offers it. But I was able to analyze NFP Friday, and I don't have to hold my trade for a longer period of time. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment it down below. And also, I offer a free one-on-one coaching. I have a couple of students right now that I offer free one-on-one coaching. If you guys want to sign up, I will drop the link also below in the video description. Feel free to check that out also, guys. All right, thank you. And make sure you guys subscribe.